Your product has 47 features. Your users regularly use 6 of them. You just spent 3 months building feature number 48. Congratulations, you've just made your product worse. This is feature bloat, the silent killer of great products. And if you are a product manager or a founder, there's a good chance you're doing this right now. Here's how it happens. A big customer asks for a specific feature. You build it to close the deal. Another customer wants something slightly different. You build that too. Your competitor launches something new. You panic and copy it. Before you know it, your clean, simple product looks like a spaceship cockpit. And here's the real problem. Every new feature makes your product harder to use, harder to maintain, and harder to explain. Yet we keep adding features anyway. Why? Because saying no feels like losing. Saying no to customers feels like bad service. Saying no to your team feels like you're killing innovation. Saying no to competitors feels like you're falling behind. But here's what actually happens when you say yes to everything. Your best features get buried under mediocre ones. New users get overwhelmed and leave. Your engineering team spends more time maintaining old features than building great new ones. Your positioning becomes fuzzy. Nobody can clearly explain what your product actually does anymore. You've heard the phrase, jack of all trades, master of none. That's your product now. The evidence is everywhere. Google Wave launched with every feature imaginable. It was dead in 2 years. Twitter added feeds, spaces, super follows, and countless experiments. None of them stuck, because Twitter's real power was always simplicity. Now look at the winners. Zoom had one job: make video calls that actually work. Simpler than Skype. Simpler than WebEx. It became a verb. Slack could have built video. Could have built email. Could have built project management. Instead, they focused on being the best at chat and integrations. WhatsApp followed a simple philosophy for years: no ads, no games, no gimmicks. 2 billion users. The pattern is clear. Focus wins. Bloat loses. So what should you do? First, audit your features. Which ones are used by fewer than 20% of users? Put them on the kill list. Second, adopt a one in, one out rule. If you want to add a feature, remove one first. And third, the hardest part, get comfortable saying no, not no forever. No for now. Because your job isn't to build everything. Your job is to build the right things. Remember this. Complexity is easy. Simplicity takes discipline. The best products don't do everything. They do one thing so well you can't imagine life without them. Now go delete some features.